Well, hello, it's Dave here, fat lad, not on a bike but fanning about with a bike. Yes, today I've got tools, again, tools, for this. You probably recognise it if you've got a BMW GS of any description, whether it be a GS or a GSA. They get mucky, and GS and GSA riders tend not to want their bikes to get mucky, and the front of the engine is where all the crud ends up. Now you can get crud catchers, tad of a breeze there, so I'll say that again. You can get crud catchers and that's fine, but this is a Fender extender which I'm now going to try and fit. Do join me and let's see how much of a mess I can make of this. So here we are, this is where it's going to fit, and it looks to me like, if I get this right, those clips, and I hope I don't get in the way, these are just little grabs, and the existing mudguard goes in there and in there, and then it clips onto this here, and there's a little cutout so that it should all just work out quite nicely. So what I need to do, I think, is slide it up. Look at that, it's there. Right, let's start screwing. Make it into a screwdriver, David. We're getting grip. We appear to be. That's that side. And I think what I'll do is I'll turn the wheel and go to the other side to do it. You just stay there, I'll be back in a tick. Turn it in and screw the other one in. I may not be able to see, I don't know, probably not. Thinking about it, there may be a shadow. Let's just snug that up good and tight. So let's, having fastened that, turn that and do the same. Snug it up good and tight. And then oh, that's it, that's going nowhere. It's a phrase we've heard a lot. And now we'll check for clearance. Acres of room. Acres and acres of room. Excellent. So that's done. So there you are. Done it. It's fitted. It doesn't catch. I know. It's only 2 Allen keys, and you know, a toolkit like this that I'm using might be a bit overkill for that. I don't think it is. Actually, I'm very pleased with it. Being not a tooly person particularly, you just need to ask Chris. I'm not normally allowed anywhere close to tools. I'm not allowed to interfere with them. I think this little Wera kit is pretty damn good. Maybe I should run you through it. Let's do that. The Wera Zyklop 1/4 inch ratchet set. A ratchet screwdriver. Not where they get all the never mind. And what we've got in is sockets, bits, the ratchet driver itself, wobble bar I believe that's called, and the extendy wobble bar here, so you can get a long way in, and that's the adapter for the bits, the screwdriver bits. So let's take this out, as you do, and it's very simple to work actually. It helps if you read the instructions of course, but to move that head you pull this little green thing back in either direction, and then your adapter you push forward and it slips on, and then you can stick any, you know, Torx bit, drops in, push that forward and it goes, and then you're away and flying. And it's ratcheted. You can change the direction of the ratchet by using that screw there, and that gives you both ways of going. And then you've got all these different angles that you can use, all ratcheted and everything else. It's all dead good. There we go. So when it clicks in, ratcheted, drop it down to the further one, ratcheted, so you've got your right angle. And it's neat and it's small, and when you've got it like that and you want to get the adapters out, that's fine, and you just pull this forward in order to pull your bit out. You can tell I'm not used to tools, can't you? 13mm down to 5mm sockets, 5mm there, colour coded. It's great if you're colour blind. Guess who's colour blind? Seems to work. It was £79 from Amazon. I don't know whether that's good or bad, I really don't, but it'll do the job. These have got the reputation of lasting forever. One of the bits that I quite like, he said, fastening it all up, is when it comes, get it straight David, make it look nice, when it comes with a Velcro pad that you can plug into your top box or anywhere else, so that you can hold it in place. And I think this will probably accompany me if I'm going any distance, just in case I need to cinch anything up. But yeah, dead good. So I'm quite pleased. Yes, I'm very pleased in fact, because that's a camera I've mounted, and the Fender extender that I've mounted. Used tools. What's not to like? So I've been Dave, fat lad on a bike. I hope you found this useful. If you have, please consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. Leave us a thumbs up, always helps. Comments in the area down below. And gentlemen, we all love going down below, so go down there, make a comment, it'll all be good, and I'll see you the next time. Until then, enjoy your bike, ride safe, and I'll see you later. Take care, bye bye!